You don't need an intense 5 a.m. routine to feel better. You don't have to chase productivity the second you wake up. You don't need to journal for an hour, run 5 miles, or read a full chapter before sunrise. Sometimes, healing begins with something much smaller. A moment of softness before the noise of the world begins. A calm morning flow that supports your mind, your mood, and your energy. When you wake up, take a pause before reaching for your phone. That message, that news, that endless scroll, it can wait. This first minute belongs to you. Take a slow, deep breath. Let the air fill your lungs, hold it gently, and exhale everything that feels heavy. Notice how your body feels, not to judge or fix it, but to acknowledge that you made it through another night. This is your first act of mindfulness, being present before the world starts pulling you in every direction. Now, invite light into your space. Open your curtains or step outside for a moment. Feel the air on your skin. Notice the colors of the morning. Natural light tells your brain it's time to wake up, and your mind starts to align with that rhythm. Move your body, slowly and kindly. Stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, loosen your neck. Notice each motion as a way of telling your body, I'm here, I'm listening. You don't need a strict workout plan. Just a few intentional movements that connect you to yourself again. Next, hydrate. Pour yourself a glass of water, tea, or coffee. Watch the steam rise. Smell it, feel it, be with it. This small act can be grounding. It's not about the drink, it's about presence. If you have a quiet moment, write something gentle to yourself. Maybe a reminder, I'm doing my best. Or, I deserve to move slowly today. You don't need a long list of affirmations. Just one sentence that feels kind and real. Before you dive into your tasks or open your laptop, create a small ritual to signal your mind that you're ready. Light a candle. Play soft background music. Stretch your hands. Or simply take 3 grounding breaths. This pause separates your calm from your chaos. It's a gentle boundary, a message to yourself that says, I decide how today feels. And when you start your day, go slow. You don't have to rush to feel accomplished. You don't have to be perfect to be peaceful. Even 5 mindful minutes can change how the whole day unfolds. Remember, a calm morning doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing things with presence. It's not about ignoring the world. It's about meeting it from a place of peace. So start small. Wake gently. Breathe fully. Move kindly. And let calm be your version of productivity. Because peace isn't found in the noise. It's built in the quiet moments you choose to honor every single morning.